Mga nakakabilib na health benefits ating alamin. Ang tanlad ay maraming benepisyo sa ating kalusugan. Ito'y halamang gamot na may kakayahang nagpababa ng lagnat. Nagpapahupa ng ubo at sipon. Maaaring magpagaling ng jaundice at paninilaw ng balat at mata. Naglalaman ng antioxidant. May anti-inflammatory properties. May antibacterial properties. Nagpapagaan ng gastric ulcer. Nakakatulong sa mataas na kolesterol. Nagpapababa ng blood pressure. May anti-cancer properties. Tropical anti-fungi. E. coli infection. At nagdi-detoxify ng ating whole body. Relieves joint pain. Fight bacteria and viruses, improve oral health, and reduces anxiety and stress. Come on, let's drink. Healthy na and no side effect. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next video.